Okay, here we have Ramya, PMP, who recently got certified. First of all, congratulations from Sri Learning for her success. So Ramya is so proud to have that certificate, right, Ramya?
Yeah. Thanks, Sriram. Actually, I'm very grateful for you to attend this PMP because I've been planning for this PMP for almost 3 years. Right from 2016, I was planning this. Actually, I would say 2016. If you see my account, also I registered in that time PMI in PMI. Then after that, I was like literally feeling that whether it is good to go or not because I'm still working in technical as a consultant. So whether to go to PMI project management or not, just was having an double thought whether to do or not. Then once I joined my current company Verizon, then I was very eager to develop my skill set. So I did CSM, Certified Scrum Master. Then I did Agile Scrum Master. Then at the end, I framed. One of my friend referred that his name is Kumaresh, and I really need to mention him. He's very close friend of mine. He's like my family friend, and he the person who's suggested me that your name, saying that he's doing Mr. Sriram is doing the coaching. You can check with him. Then I also saw a lot of reviews of yours in LinkedIn, and then I had. So I used to keep you ask whether I can do it. Is it possible? Because I've not been into management side. Though I'm not into management side, I lead the team and all, but I know little bit about how it goes on. But still, that confidence really after joining your coaching center, definitely that has really boosted me and made my what is it made me strong enough to achieve this goal. It's a really a biggest achievement for me. I've been trying to do this for from 2016 and I achieved this year on 2020.
I can see that you are in space now with the happiness, huh?
Yes, I'm literally in very much happiness because I'm not in from background of project management completely. That is the biggest thing. So hardly I had a coaching in May and June and till June. Then after that, I thought, okay, let me study. Then half the way I studied, I left it off. Then again I started studying. Then when the moment Akshay from our team, when he did it, I checked with him. I need to mention his name also because he suggested me don't go and read roughly other all the documents at a stretch. So go with only with Rita book, he said. So I just went through only the complete Rita book. Nowhere I didn't mugged anything. Just given a go through completely. The book which I read it was Rita only. So complete Rita book I read from the top to bottom. Whatever, whenever I have time, even a 1 hour time I have, I keep on reading it. That whatever goes into my mind, I just keep on reading it. Saturday, Sunday, I completely spend 24 hours in reading only. So that's how I try to get through it. So apart from that, really your motivational speech, the videos you keep on sending to us in our group, that really boosts us. Like how we have to do. I have not much asked you about the precast or anything, but because the mock exam which you have given from your end itself, I practice twice, thrice. Keep on, I'll be every day I'll read it and then I'll practice the mock test. Then I'll do the because my way of reading was because since I'm not working, I in project management, I thought I read the book at the back of the questions. Then if somewhere I face it issue, then I again read it. So my assumption was okay. Anyhow, we have to do. That was the hindering in my mind, and I achieved it. That is what I would say. And really big thank to Rahul also. He was literally very patient in giving me all the time. Whenever I ask him, give me a study plan, give me a study plan. So he used to give me a refreshing study plan, but somehow I made up my mind. I have to do it, and I finished it off. Tons and tons thanks to you and Rahul. Definitely, I can't. It can be saying one word that thanks. So
Fine, fine. Thanks for appreciating us. And in the sense of you work at Verizon, one of the Fortune company. You know that management skills are needed there. So how do you feel relevance with the job in future? Of course, certain things we'll be doing now. And how do you see in a companies like that, they follow the methodologies? Are they adopting certain methodologies in the market? Are they having their own customized methodology? How do you feel that it's going to help you in your
So
career?
it's definitely going to help me because in Verizon they have agile pattern, and they in PMP also they follow. So newly they have they have brought in lot of management skills to it, and are pushing the people to do the PMP or in management circle, and to the next band or next career growth which we are moving it definitely supports us, or makes us to a career next level actually. So other companies, if you see, this really opens a wide role. Literally before doing PMP, I attended an interview. So they were very keen on, even though technical, they were very keen on management skill. Whether you have worked on management, you have done these things in the management skills. So PMP is really plays a vital role, I would say.
Good to know, Ramya. Really good one. In fact, it's giving boost now. Many of you who are working for the PMP will listen to your video, and they get the confidence. Okay, let's also do this, right? So, so how many months you
No,
prepared for
I
this
prepared from
approximately?
July and August and September half the way. So almost 2.5 months I was preparing it.
Okay, that's pretty decent timeline
I
you've
was
given.
doing
Great job.
instead of I was doing shifts also. So that's what I said. Saturday and Sunday, I sit whole time. I'll be keep on reading. I need to thank my dad and mom and my daughter because they don't come. Because of them, I was able to do. I was able to study actually completely because of that. Otherwise, it wouldn't be possible. Definitely.
That's good, right? The whole family supports for us.
Yes, yes, of course.
That's great. That's great. Thanks a lot for giving all your inputs. Any tips you want to share with the people who are preparing?
See, I am I'm not that much person to give but tips, but I would say people who are in Sri Learning can close their eyes. They should follow what Sriram is saying. That is what I followed because I read whatever you said, and daily that writing practice, which that 49 process, it will be hitting in your mind. This point, initiation, planning, this will hit in your mind that what is this whenever you are going studying that. So that written practice never ever should leave. It will really support us to at any stage. And the
Mhm.
important points, whatever you are saying, Sriram, you said that critical part. I in exam, if you say I got around 5 to 6 was coming in the schedule management critical part questions, and lot of what to say uh, kind of capacity thing. A lot of questions came only in PMP. So it is
Oh,
not. I didn't get any agile questions actually. I completely used for 4 hours completely. I got neck pain itself because I was like literally going through one by one to understand myself. What is that question? What is it? I analyzed it. So each point, whatever you told, the practices which made me to do this. So I would say need to practice and write all the points, important points, whatever we have. We have to write it and we need to keep on our mind. That's it. That is what I would say.
great. Yeah, for coming up with your valuable inputs, and I appreciate your time and
No
energy.
problem, Sriram. No, actually I am need to thankful to you because your coaching has lit, and I'm able to achieve this really. I was really not having confidence. That confidence has come from you only, definitely, and from my friend Kumresan also. So literally, you people play a vital role for my PMP.
Great. Keep winning, and you are in the best company in the world, Verizon. So keep rocking there. And
Sure, sure, sure.
just convey my regards to Mr. Kumandasan also, right?
Yes, yes.
We'll catch
Sure.
up. Thanks a lot for coming up here. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you, Sriram. Thank you so much.